This is today's look, brought to you by yours truly, Frumpy, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. My stomach has been bugging me for over a week now, and this is as good as it's looking. It's a beautiful day today. I am heading to Market Basket. I have not done a full grocery shopping since before Christmas, if you can believe that. Now, of course, I've bought stuff, but I've basically either like bargain shopped or just picked up things that I normally wouldn't be able to coupon. Anyway, so this shopping is mostly for the holiday weekend. Most of it is on sale. Let me know if you have a Market Basket in your area. It's quite a unique store, at least to me anyway. And if you don't, and the next time I go, if you want to shop with me, let me know. So let me know if you do have a Market Basket, and if you do want to shop with me next time I go. So let's go. I end up spending a total of $45, and I did have 3 $1 coupons for the Starbucks coffees. I got some hamburger bread for burgers over the weekend. That was $1.50 for a 12-pack. These looked good. They're blueberry. Never go to the store hungry. 99 cents for this. These were 3 for 2. I only got 1. And then these look really good. They are buffalo tater tots, and I figure we could have that as a side. I can throw in the air fryer, and we can have that as a side with our food that we're gonna grill for Memorial Day weekend. Here's the Starbucks. I got a cafe mocha. These were $3.99. That's actually a really good price for them. And then with the $1 coupons, it came out to $2.99. And I got the new ones, the molten chocolate latte. I actually bought the little ones before. They're good. Like I said, I got 2 of them. And then these were $1.99, and this is going to be part of the cookout we're having. They had advertised in the ad sweet pepper provolone, which I wanted one of those too, but they were out of that one. So I got the pineapple uncured bacon. So I also got bread. I got some wheat subs for it. These were 2 for $5, I believe. They didn't have that many choices as far as like kind of hoagie rolls. And they did have these in white, which I grabbed at first, but then I seen the wheat and I'm like, well, just a tiny bit little more healthy, I think. So got that. I was gonna get a cut up pineapple so that I can add to my water. I know it's more expensive, and I usually don't go that route because, you know, I like to be cheap in a good way. But the little containers were like $3, and I'm like, I just can't. So then I saw half of pineapples cut for $1.99. I'm like, well, that's not bad, because then all I have to do is like cut off the skin and then square it out. And then I'm like, well, let me check to see how much the regular pineapples are, and they were $1.99. So I'm like, you know what, for the same price, I'm getting a whole pineapple, and even that is more than what I can usually get them for. I can usually get them for 99 cents, $1.50, but $1.99 is not bad. I got some sandwich meat. This is the healthy ones, honey ham and turkey breast. You get the combo. This was $2.99. You don't get all that much, but we're actually gonna have some of this right now. We're having a late lunch. I haven't eaten all day. And then I was supposed to get the Bubba burgers, but they were advertised for $9.99, but you only get 6, and I'm like, no. These are also all beef, and I think these were $10.49. I don't think they were $9.99, but you get 12 of them. So this was a much better deal. I have bought these before. They're actually really good burgers. I am going to Sam's Club on Sunday because we're having the cookout on Monday, so I'm probably going to pick up more of them then, but you know, we have these just in case we do make some burgers on the grill before the cookout. And then they also had these $1.99. I don't know if this was on sale. I don't know if this is their regular price, but I did pick up 2. I just picked up the regular kielbasa, and then this one is the roasted garlic chicken. I'm not sure if I ever bought this one before. I know I bought a few varieties of this one time. There was like a really good sale, and I really didn't like many of them except the plain one, but I don't remember, so I'm giving it another try if I did. And if I have it, then it's new. And then the very last bag, I did mention everything was $45. Let me know what you think about $45 for all of this. This is a repurchase. I bought these sometime last week. Oh my gosh, the best Little Debbie's I have ever had. These things taste gourmet. I'm not going to say any more because I do plan to do a review on them in my empties. I'm going to have a whole food portion. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up. And then we needed white bread. I just didn't want to go with the typical store brand white bread. I don't know. Those are like a hit and miss. This one looked really, really good. And this was $2.99. A little bit more than I like to spend, but you know how that goes. And that's the soft rustic white. Oh, it's so fresh. I think it's going to be amazing because I'm starving with the sandwich meat right now. And then I was planning on getting more eggs, but then ultimately I just chose to get 1 carton because they are on sale for 99 cents and only the white is on sale. I prefer the brown. That's what I grew up with. I really don't see the difference. It's what I'm used to, but I will definitely get the white when it is on sale. Let me know which one you choose. If you know there is a difference, I'm curious. And that's that. That is my haul. Most of it is for the cookout. Some of it is, you know, regular day use. Some of it should have stayed in the store, but it didn't. That's it. Have a great weekend. I plan on vlogging the whole weekend. Also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested to see. I don't know if I'm going to do one every day or I'm going to combine it all or make it like a 2-parter. I don't know, but I'm starting tomorrow and ending on Monday. And I hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Bye.